Hello. Do you find that your Alexa is just a little too chatty sometimes? Do you want her just to get to the point? Well, this might help you. Amazon is introducing a new mode that is called Brief Mode. I'll tell you more about that, but first I want to say hi, my name is Craig and this is my Tech Talk. I love learning about this kind of stuff and sharing it with you, so if you have any comments or questions, please share them. Also, check out the description for two reasons. One, there's links to the Echo. You can buy one, learn more about them. And the second reason is I want to give a shout out to Half Peeps. Check out his YouTube channel. He put together my new YouTube banner. And it looks way better than anything I could have made. I really appreciate it. He reached out to me, offered to put something together. Check it out. I have his Twitter in the description and also his YouTube channel. So visit him. He might be able to hook you up. Half Peep, Samuel, thank you. I really appreciate you taking care of me on this one. So let's get started. Now this video is gonna be a shorter one because it's more of an introduction of a feature that I think is gonna be a quite useful feature, but right now it's an experimental feature as they call it. So I'm introducing it to you so you know it's there, because when it gets rolling it should be pretty cool. So check it out, see if it's available, and share with me what you find out about it. Now let's get into it. Brief Mode is a new feature that Amazon has introduced and has started rolling out. And I don't know the availability of it. I think it might be limited to the US at this point, but you can easily check to see if the option's available underneath the app. So if it's not available, I apologize. But at least you know that. Also, I'm not gonna demo it in this video because it really seems hit or miss on it working. So I'm just gonna tell you about it. This is just a prop because it's an Echo video, so I have to have one to show you. Diving into it, the idea behind Brief Mode, as Amazon puts it, Alexa will speak less and when possible will give a sound response instead of a verbal response. So if there's a way to acknowledge something with a tone, it'll give you that instead of some of the long speaking that some people have grown tired of hearing. Or when you ask for a smart home device and you hear, okay, 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 that's supposed to be replaced with a sound. Unfortunately, I haven't had much luck in using it. In the things I'm asking for, I haven't seen much of a difference between Brief Mode and not. But I still thought it was valuable to share because this is going to be rolling out more and get implemented more. So you might as well know it's there so you can check and see if you can do it on your Echo. To set up Brief Mode, you're gonna wanna grab your mobile device, open up the Alexa app, and you'll see, at least on mine right now, it's giving me the Brief Mode description. It's an experimental feature where I talk less or only use sounds. If you have it, Brief Mode will be in the settings section in your Alexa app. So I'll show you where that's at, and this is how you verify it. You go up to the left-hand corner, 3 lines, also called a hamburger by some. That'll open up your menu there. You'll go down to your settings, and this is a global feature, so it will affect all of your devices in the house. It's not device specific. But if you go down under General at the bottom of the screen, you'll see Alexa voice responses. Right there, you'll see Brief Mode tells you she speaks less and will respond with simple sounds when possible. Turn that on, and you are done. Brief Mode is enabled. You no longer need your device. Now you ask her questions, and if you could get a shorter answer, she should give you one. That's a short introduction of Brief Mode and what the intentions are behind it. I look forward to seeing this roll out and become more popular. I understand there was the initial trying to humanize the device and make it sound more personal to embrace the virtual assistant. But in some cases, you just need a tone and need to move on. So this is gonna be a good feature, I feel like, and will be a good help. That's it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below or tweet me. Thank you for watching this. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a bunch more of these Echo videos I plan on doing. This is number 12, I believe. I appreciate it if you stick around and watch them. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.